guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP Deskjet 3755. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is the world pretty much smallest printer out there. You go from printing from your phone seamlessly, okay? And this Deskjet printer is 5.4 inch tall and 7 inch deep and 15.18 wide. Okay, this printer is using ink cartridges 65 or 65 extra. This printer is actually from US audience. Okay, we don't have this printer, this particular number here in UK. So I got this printer, was sent from US to review for US audience. Okay, so I just want to check out my video how we unbox this printer. Okay, check it out. So what I want to show you is this is the ink cartridges it's using, and this is the information pack. Okay, this is the information pack, and it will tell you the control panel. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera so we can see the information stuff you need to know. Okay, you can see this printer, you copy from this copy color. This button is for you to copy black, and this button is for you to resume. This is information button, and this is the Wi-Fi button. This button is for you to cancel. Okay, and it will also tell you this button is Wi-Fi direct. Okay, and this button here, okay, you copy color and copy black from here. Okay, and this is the web service. Okay, this is a web service, and this button here is resume. Okay, if the light is blinking, it indicates a warning or error state. Please press the button to resume printing after the error is cleared. For example, after clearing a paper jam. Okay, so use this button to cancel, stop the current operation. Control display. Okay, so number one is control display, which is LCD screen. Okay, and this you can see it will show you the Wi-Fi inside, show you the ink cartridges, also show you the reception. So control display indicate a number of copies, wireless set status and signal strength, Wi-Fi direct status, paper related warning or other error, and the estimated ink cartridge. So from this LCD screen you see all the information. Okay, you can see resume, and also the ink is flashing. Okay, and also the Wi-Fi is blinking. Okay, so what we want to do is to show you how to set up the ink. So we got the ink that came with this printer, okay, which is 65. So what we're going to do now is to install the ink, and to install the ink you just need to open up this section. If you want this printer, you switch this printer on and off from here. Okay, so I just mistakenly switched it off, so I'm going to switch it back on, then for us to wait for the printer to come on. Okay, once it's on, then we'll go from there and install the ink. Okay, this is the ink cartridges that we need to install. Okay, so to install the ink, the thing you need to do is just open up this section. Okay, once you open up the section, ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it or remove it or install it. So what we're going to do is, and it's also color explanatory. So the colored one goes to the left, excuse me, and the black goes to the right. Okay, so colored one goes to the left, black goes to the right. So open up the ink cartridges. Okay, so this is the black ink 65. You can use 65 extra, like I said. Okay, now to go in, we just need to go into the black color. Once you are in, push it up. Okay, so you can see this end with the chip go inside. Okay, then the next you need to do is push it upwards, and you hear a click sound. This is to show you that it's inside the settings. Okay, now the next going to do is open up the colored one. So open it up. This is triple color with red, cyan, and yellow. Just in the pull off. Okay, now we need to go in as well to the color. So the colors to the left, black to the right. Push it upwards. Okay, and it's in. Once you're done, use your hand to shake it. Make sure it's not falling off. If you want to remove this ink, pull it down, push down, and remove. Okay, to go back in, go in straight in, push it upwards, remove, go inside. Okay, push upward. Okay, and it's in. So make sure that it's not falling off, that is within the setting. Now the next you need to do is close it. Once you close it, the ink cartridges will move from the center to the corners where it's supposed to be. Okay, and now you can see the ink cartridges gauge. I hope you can see it. Initially there was error light here flashing. Okay, you can see now the ink gauge is full up. The light that is showing here is Wi-Fi light, and this is the resume. Okay, so this printer now, the ink cartridges is full up and the ink is working correctly and they store properly. Okay, so this is how to install your ink. This printer is using, like I said earlier, 65 ink or 65 extra large. This printer is actually for my US audience. It was sent from US. Please show us some love, like, subscribe, and share. If you're happy with this tutorial, I'd like you to do your work effectively, increase your productivity. So this is what we are about. So this printer, you can save, like I said earlier, you can save, okay? You can save quite a lot, okay? You never run out of ink. You save up to 50% on ink, but you need to subscribe to the service. You select a printing plan. Okay, then HP will ship ink at your home address at no cost. You enjoy total flexibility, so you can cancel this. Okay, print a little or a lot. There are options for everyone. Your subscription include ink, hassle-free delivery, and prepared recycling. Okay, when ink level are low, HP will automatically ship a new cartridges. Cartridges are shipped before you need them, so you never run out of ink. You can cancel or change your plan anytime. If you don't use all of your paper, they automatically roll over to the next month. Okay, so which is handy. So you can choose specific plan, can print 10 pages a month, or 50 pages, or 100 pages, or 300 pages, or 700 pages even. Okay, with fee. The price is $0.99 US, £1.25 for Canadian dollar. The same is applicable. So just you can set this up once you set your printer. Okay, so guys, you do this at hpinstantink.com, but you must redeem this within 7 days of your printer setup. If you're happy with this tutorial and overview, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.